आइए दोस्तों, तो अपने दो प्यारे दोस्त हैं हमारे यहाँ बैठे हुए है ना। इनसे आज हम कुछ पॉलिटिकल बातें करते हैं। पॉलिटिकल तो है नहीं ये लोग, लेकिन बात करते हैं पॉलिटिकल, है ना। तो सर आप अपना नाम बताइए पहले। चेक सर।
Okay, here it's Pradyuman Jaiswal from Barigama originally.
यस,
And this is
ये तो ठीक है। एंड
You know me very well.
अभिलाष तिवारी।
You know who
तिवारी
he is?
तिवारी
He is the Abhilash Tiwari.
यस, तिवारी एंड यू जायसवाल।
That's
फर्स्ट
the
पॉलिटिकल
casteist point.
फर्स्ट पॉलिटिकल पॉइंट इज द कास्टिज्म,
It started from here
है ना?
itself. Yeah.
and the political question arises from here that what caste.
Caste, yeah. It starts with caste only. Since we told you about our caste.
But according
But I am a
to
Jaiswal,
government,
he is
caste
Tiwari.
doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It
Still,
doesn't
we
matter
do not believe in
in-
this. We still do not believe in casteism, but it is there in the society.
But
It is social level it is.
we accept and we believe that it's there in the society and it will be there in society for a long time until it would be clearly
तो मतलब हमको मतलब हमारे गांव में जैसे लगता है, क्योंकि मेरा गांव जो है नॉर्मली ऐसे पिछड़ा हुआ है। अभी हमारे गांव में अप्रॉक्स 98%
They will be wiped away.
ST/SC वाइफ दबे तो ठीक है। मतलब अभी हमारे यहाँ जैसे कि पॉपुलेशन जो है ऑल अराउंड 30,000 है। मतलब एडल्ट, ओल्ड एंड बच्चों सबको मिला करके ऑल ओवर। तो मेरे यहाँ जैसे पॉपुलेशन है अराउंड 30,000, जिनमें से 98% ST/SC बिलोंग करते हैं एंड 2% आर OBC एंड जनरल। मोस्टली 1.9% आर जनरल एंड 0.1% आर OBCs. That
actually your fact is
general are
wrong.
ruling over there.
But okay, let's proceed.
What kind of reason behind it? Government are supporting or the administration are supporting, systems
No.
are supporting?
First you
So-
need to correct your facts because it's not the correct number.
Actually, in MP, approximately 1.10% of ST is there, and
नहीं, बट इन माई विलेज ओनली, मेरा विलेज का ही तो पूरा कंट्रीब्यूशन है भाई।
village
मेरे
में
village का ही
village
contribution
itself
है पूरे
also,
state में।
I think 35 to 40% is all about category, ST category, ST and SC, and I think
You need to recheck your facts actually. I'm
35
not
to
sure about your facts,
40,
but
40,
it's not
45
the
to
correct
50 something about backward classes, and others are general and
one. So what was your question actually?
other.
Let's proceed
मतलब
with
मेरा यही क्वेश्चन है कि उन लोग को दबाया क्यों जाता है जनरल के द्वारा। ये हमारे जनरल भाई हैं भी, इनको पता होगा कैसे दबाते हैं लोगों को, लेकिन ये नहीं दबाते हैं। लेकिन ये बता सकते हैं कैसे, मतलब पहले
दबाया जाता है।
पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा क्या है इन लोग
It
का, ऐसा
was,
मतलब। हाँ,
but it is
भाई
not
बताएंगे
like
कैसे
that
अपना
as it
स्ट्रेटेजी
was.
यूज करते हैं लोगों को दबाने के लिए।
देखिए, ऐसा
मतलब
है।
भाई यूज नहीं करते हैं।
If there is wrong,
हम्म,
then there is wrong. There will be the wrong.
ऐसा है कि बहुत पुराना इतिहास रहा है पिछड़ा वर्ग और जनजातियों के शोषण का, उचले वर्ग के कह सकते हैं जो कि ब्राह्मण और क्षत्रियों के द्वारा।
Doesn't
Normally,
start
but,
from British. It started from
Yeah,
the
it
eras.
started from ancient eras. It started from later Vedic period only. But this is a evil of long time, and it would take some time to be finished or to be like.
Actually, it is not.
नहीं, मैं आजकल मेरा क्वेश्चन एक ये भी है कि जैसे मैक्सिमम मेंबर जो हैं हमारे मतलब गांव में, वो मजदूरी करते हैं, मजदूरी पे निर्भर हैं, है ना।
जो पिछड़े वर्ग
हाँ, मैक्सिमम ST/SC एंड OBCs आर। तो मतलब जैसे जनरल वाले जो हैं या फिर मोस्ट ऑफ द OBC ऑल्सो, कि मतलब उनसे अगर मजदूरी करा रहे हैं तो उनकी मजदूरी नहीं देते हैं। और एक्सप्लॉइटेशन, ऐसा क्यों करते हैं वो लोग?
This
Why?
belongs to you itself. You are the one. You
No,
are
no.
the one who used.
I have never done this. I have
Exploit
never
them.
done this. I have never done this.
देखिए मुझे तो पता नहीं ये कहाँ हो रहा है, पर जहाँ भी हो रहा है
हाँ।
गलत हो रहा है।
मेरे गांव में होता है, जैसे मजदूरी नहीं देते हैं, मतलब वो लोग खाना खिला कर काम कराते हैं, मतलब 2 टाइम खाना खिला के सीधे 12 घंटा काम कराते हैं, ऐसा कुछ होता है।
And you know me very well. That's all about Kamlesh.
नहीं, इट्स नॉट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू,
was used to cost
इट्स
me,
फॉर आवर
about 20
होल
to
सोसाइटी,
25 lakhs.
दैट
It
हाउ
cost
कैन
me.
वी करेक्ट इट ऑल।
Huh?
इट्स नॉट फॉर ओनली पर्सनल यू।
It's all about awareness.
See, the thing which could
Knowledge.
correct this one
the knowledge and the education.
is one and only education, which will be responsible to clear all the evils like casteism and
most important is
the
the involvement
rise
of
of
casteism in politics. The leaders used to use the casteism to
vote bank.
as a vote bank.
नहीं वो
Some
तो
advantages are also there.
वो तो उनका काम है, दारू मुर्गा पैसा दो वोट लो और चले जाओ, है ना।
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल।
लेकिन जैसे पढ़ाई की ही बात है तो उनको पढ़ने कहाँ दिया जाता है, नाम नहीं लिखते हैं स्कूलों में, सरकारी स्कूलों में सीट फुल बता देते हैं, जाति प्रमाण पत्र, आय निवास ये सब में फंसा करके मोस्ट ऑफ द ST/SC बच्चों को।
Administration issue is also there. Nothing like that is there. Actually, this is all because of lack of awareness and knowledge.
तो मतलब कोई
People
ऐसा
don't know their rights, their educational rights, everything.
एंड
they
हाउ
don't
वुड दे नो? वो कब जानेंगे? जब वो पढ़ेंगे तब जानेंगे वो अपने अधिकारों के बारे में। जब कोई आदमी संविधान की प्रियम्बल पढ़ेगा।
नहीं ठीक है, आपकी बात सही है पढ़ाई के लिए, है ना, लेकिन उनको CM राइज स्कूल है हमारे बरगवा में जो 4-5 गांव को अफेक्ट करती है, वहाँ एडमिशन नहीं दिया जाता है, उन लोगों को बता दिया जाता है सीट फुल है, ये है, पैसा लगेगा, आय जाति निवास डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में एकदम फिरा करके उन लोग का टाइम लॉस्ट करा दिया जाता है। फिर बोल देते हैं एडमिशन डेट ओवर हो गया, एडमिशन ही नहीं मिलता तो पढ़ेंगे कहाँ से वो लोग, और पढ़ाने वाले टीचर भी नहीं हैं अच्छे से गवर्नमेंट स्कूलों में।
Teachers are there, but they
जा सकती
are actually not focusing on studies, because even one reason is also there. They used to get involved in other subjects also, other than teaching as well. They have
like-
the capabilities. They
What kind
came
of-
up-
like voter list,
yeah.
checklist,
So
है ना।
they have extra
Multiple work they have.
responsibilities, including their studies, and they have some sort of extra
So
responsibilities.
who should appoint the governments for voter list making?
Sorry.
Who should appoint?
There should be extra officers. There is a lack of employment in
Or
our country.
even if you are engaging the officials or the government teachers in that work now, so you should take care of that. Ki education should not
Yeah,
be
the
get,
education should not
Yeah, but according to me, there should be a private school teacher
Sorry.
for that,
Could you please repeat?
for voter list and shortlisting process.
You can choose the private teachers.
Private
also,
school
because
teachers like
availability of
DAV,
teachers is
DPS.
More and more
Yeah.
in private school.
You can choose-
Because they have already
You can hire
efficient
from-
time to complete
you can
their
hire
syllabus
the-
as well.
You can hire from the society as well. It will increase the
See,
employment opportunity. to
there
the
are
people.
so
Accessibility
many
will be there.
Educated and unemployed candidates who are looking for jobs, and there are opportunities to create jobs. So government should use this and think on it to create more opportunities for unemployed.
Thank you. And now my next question is that we have affected by most of the companies over our district, that like Hindalco, Mahan, Adani, NCL, NTPC, all over the surrounding we are circulated by the company, and we are in the center of that. We can say that we have our homes on the nucleus on that.
Yeah.
So how could we escape from that pollution, accidents, as well as most of the exploited rules as well?
Actually, it's all about the lackness and awareness itself. The companies are lacking their corporate social responsibility. They believe that they are doing favors on the citizens, but actually it's their duty to how to perform it. They are not at all performing their duty. That's why people are used to get in circumstantial issues. Multiple accidents are there, no proper regulations of rules and protocols by the administration. If it could be corrected, then better opportunities, better employment also, and safety level, everything will be controlled. Companies need to focus on sustainable development actually, but they are only focusing on profit making. No, only profit making.
And
They are not focusing on development. They are focusing on individual development only.
How can they improve this?
देखिए
By regulation, by regulating it
जिस
properly.
प्रकार से
By
जो हमारा
removing the
प्रशासन है वो
industrialists
कुशासन की ओर जा रहा है, उसी प्रकार से ये कंपनियां भी बस ये अपना प्रॉफिट देखती हैं, जो कि अभी इन्होंने जिस चीज की बात की CSR, सोशल,
And the most important thing is what the CSR are doing for the
responsibility.
people.
ये लोग मात्र दिखावा करते हैं। हर CSR एक्टिविटी के पीछे एक बोर्ड लगा हुआ होता है, जिसके पीछे कोई भी एक्चुअल में काम नहीं होता है।
But according to me,
बोर्ड मिलेगा, पर उसके अंदर
Yes, yes,
खोखला
yes, yes,
आपको
yes,
बस
yes.
एक कमरा दिखेगा जिसमें कोई भी ना तो कैंडिडेट होगा ना किसी को वहां पर कोई भी ट्रेनिंग मिलेगी.
They have made out waiting chambers on side roadside.
All about Havelis made with the sand.
and
Just to
and
visualize.
there are so many private people who are taking advantage of this kind of social responsibilities taken
Most
by
powerful
corporates.
person like नगर परिषद के जो पार्षद लोग होते हैं
Definitely,
और
definitely,
ग्राम
but
पंचायत
I would
के
not- I would
सरपंच
not
लोग
take
होते
the
हैं, they have exhausted his well
Yep.
the amount of
All
provided by
these private
CSR.
peoples and the administrator use that money for their personal and own growth.
So we have to complain it moreover because we have a new collector as Gaurav Bainal in our district. He can do something for us.
Such a great personality is.
He can do something for us.
I don't
So-
know. I don't know how great personality he is, but I will see. I will see with the
He is a
time.
great hope for the
Yeah, definitely.
people of
he is a great
Singrauli
talent
district.
and we are hoping
reside
that
or
we'll
take
be
the resident
getting
in
some.
NTPC
He is
also
nice
because
person, nice person.
We want to get in between the peoples to solve their issues. That's a good initiative actually.
Yeah, definitely, it's a new initiative
It is
and
a
a great
new message
initiative.
after Singrauli was taken away from Sidhi after 2008, I think. No collector was residing or taking his bungalow in the
Out of
government
NTPC.
out of NTPC.
Thank you friends. We'll meet on our next vlog. Thank you, sir.